Let's balance. Come. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right. And from South Africa, Cape Town, we have Chris in the house here today in the Philippines. All right, that's right. We have Chris in the Philippines. Thank you for joining from Cape Town, South Africa, Chris. Nice to have you with us here today. All right. Now remember, these vehicles are purpose-built vehicles. You cannot just buy a drift car. You have to build a drift car. Okay. Are we ready? All right. Are we ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go! Yes, sideways with Booty Double Soul, together with Mark Bernardo. All right. Yeah, and up next is the glamour boy, the Virgin himself, single man, Guapo, Isaac. Right, let's go, 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 let's go. Chop shit, break that shit. I like the way she twerks. All right, next up, the next three, let's go. Did you guys enjoy it? You enjoyed it? Was good? Thank you so much. We guys salute you guys for making all our ideas.